All right, we got the bike washed here. We've been using Dawn dish soap this whole time to wash the bike. It works great. Roscoe 7, bottom bracket out. There we go. What else we need in here? I want to keep right here. Guys, what are we doing? We're done for this whole. Got a replacement chain ring, and the chain ring never quite fit. The put on backwards to get it to work. It's just the way it's bent, and we're just gonna get a new SRAM SX with the chain ring. And want to save these kind of things. Maybe you'll need them later. Be able to use this, or if I'll be able to show you, but want to see that there is just popped off so easily. I'll tell you guys, I had taken this off earlier and just cleaned it up. And thingamajigs about bikes have these. One of these thingy-majiggies, whatever. Yeah, so anyways, like I was saying, it's a bike hand. It's like a tool. Yeah. Easy to mess that up. Now here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put all this stuff in a paper bowl and not know. Oh shit, I'm already going back. There's like the jack of all trades. Everybody's trying to take this bike. Right here it says this. Cross-country use. Focus. Funny thing is though, only not really good. It's kind of like the jack of all trades bike. Strong enough to handle it. The frame is the Pacific. But if I did say it was up hills, climbing, flying down them, but like, and forget about them, and then maybe one day we'll need them. But probably that's what's left of our crank. I think that maybe I cross-threaded it, but I really, with you all, I've had a righty for pretty much my whole life. Why isn't this pedal coming off? Am I turning it the wrong way? Please, anybody in the comments, if you do comment, and this bike has been good. What? Okay, we're back. These pedals, they were not cross-threaded. They were just, I guess I just do things differently. It goes bad. When you do nothing but fakies, threaded on. This bike has just been through hell and back. And BMX is for, and like skateboards, not mountain bikes. Let's find out what the placement. We got the new bottom bracket. Final word for me, after owning a Roscoe for 3, I guess, if you're a really good rider, it's not all about the bike, it's the rider. Dang it. Only, I don't know if you can see with the camera, but anyways, long some gloves. I ain't got no gloves, but we're gonna just hit this with some grease. On, let's see. I'm off to the right. Oh, okay, so would you look at that? Okay, let's get. Always gonna be better off if you can always wipe your excess grease away, you know. So, oh, and just to mention, this is gonna the left to tighten it to the right, just like I use one, but you can use this right here as you need to over tighten it, but you do want it nice and tight. Okay, we're just putting this. Just want something to have the chain on, so it can sit. Something on this bike here is it's got the nice semi-fat tires. It's a hardtail. It's with it, even though the bottom bracket says don't do jumps. And I'm gonna get a new bike one of these days. It's gonna happen, but and in good shape, ready to get sold for a fair price.